Hey, this is Jenny Jones. What I'm trying to do is I wanted to be able to show up for you guys and give you guys an opportunity to see what the difference is. Again, is this your first time to AI Growth TV Hub? You can like, subscribe. Here's the thing, and nowadays I'm so busy doing different things that I still want to show up for you guys and kind of give you some value for what's out there. Now, this is a video, kind of a 1v1 or a showdown between Poppy.ai, right, and Remalt. All right, so Remalt is right here. So let me tell you. So first of all, let's look at Poppy, right? And the reason why I want to look at Poppy is, for one, you only have the price is going to increase in 4 days. I'm telling you, we'll get into that, but the price is going to increase in 4 days. So use the link in the description after I'm finished. Don't use it now, but just wait until you hear what I got to say. So you're going to use the link in the description. You're going to pick it up using my code. It's not going to cost you anything else. This is just kind of rewarding me to kind of bring you some of this behind the scenes juice, right? So what Poppy is, it's a visual storyboard kind of. You do the storyboard and you're able to gather all your thoughts, all your resources, and then put them into one chat window, which is dynamic, by the way, for you to be able to do that. And I'm going to talk about some pros and cons there, but I don't even have a recommendation on this, right? I know that if you can bring your own key, which at least is right here, then you're in good shape. And that's a lot, but when you see the power and the things you can do, then you'll say, oh, I know why that's important, right? So the chatbot access, I don't know if you're as you can do. If you would like to extend the program more, I think the chatbot allows you to do that a little bit more, but I don't see that anybody is going to be justifying the chatbot at a major purchase. So just letting you know. So it has those collab boards. You can do that. Now let's go and look at Remalt, right? And they're similar. That's the reason why I put them together. So again, it has these board, kind of design board, and you can have your chat windows. Now, you're going to notice that this is only $99. It's only $99. Now, what you can do with $99, I think, is very, very powerful. But you're going to find here's what I will say, and I'll just bring this up and let's just get into it, because I'm going to make this video as short as possible because I want to just get right into it for you. So, again, you have $99 and you have $1,400, right? It's a big difference dramatically. But when you get inside, Poppy, this is the build out for Poppy. This is you could go in, you have your board here. I can't get to I can, but I can't use my keys while I'm zooming in. So you have these different boards, you put all your ideas out. Now, what you need to understand, now let's go back to the originator. So the actual founder of this tool is somebody, they said they struggle with ADHD, right? I think he said ADHD. I think that's what he said. Because his brain is all over the place. I'm not gonna lie to you. I struggle with this too, because my brain has so many ideas. My brain never really shuts off. My wife gets mad at me. She's like, oh, you want to do this? You want to do that? I said, I'm gonna just do it all. Right. So the concept, and this is what you need to understand, the concept of this whole board with your ideas, you got your expert speakers here, you got your different videos that you studied here, you got your pieces here. These are all of my pieces for one of my businesses. And then this is another I'm starting to build for another one of my businesses. I can run them all through one chat. Now, the power of this is I have a lot of tokens, but the thing about it is, if you don't need this, and the key is preserving your tokens, is if I connect this, right, and if I connect this one, okay, I can connect them both, right? If I don't need one of them, I just turn them off, right? I don't need you for that. I don't need this brain concept. And that preserves your token run. I think a lot of people say, oh, lose a lot of token. Yeah, if you're running 15 different groups, it's going through and it's reading all the groups. And I just think collectively, you don't need all of them if you're working on this particular project. And I've already found a solution for that already as well. Now, so this is Poppy, right? And Poppy, very strong community, very robust. They're training, doing different types of live training every day. Now, Remalt, right? Which they have said, hey, we've kind of wanted to kind of copy and kind of mirror what they're doing. What happened is I told Remalt the way you kind of get into theirs is you pick a template or you can design it and say, hey, this is what I want to build, and it'll build it out for you. Now, look at all this that it put together. Not that this is bad, but this is the way my brain is right now. Honestly, this is the way my brain is right now. And there's something to be said. And I'm not down in Remalt. One thing I will tell you is when I look at Poppy and I look at Remalt, Remalt is some of the cleanest software. Clean. I mean, clean. Very well built. The dashboard, everything is just crisp, clean, right? It's like a fresh pair of Air Force Ones, right? It is that clean, right? Some of you guys know that's a cultural reference, but the point I'm making is I don't need this because it built this for me automatically. I don't. Now I got to go. I'll say, okay, the knee bone connected to the elbow bone, and it built this, which is perfect if I wanted my mind to work like this. But this is the very reason why I don't want my mind to be like this. I want my mind, right, to be free. I want to be able to say, hey, now, can I take what they built for me here and untangle it? Yeah, I can. Or can I just build one from scratch? Yeah, I can. And I think this gives you the option to make it automate. But I think this, you run the risk when you try to do this. I think you run out of the points that they give you. They do have API that you can connect your own API as well. Where is that? So you can connect. This video, I don't want this to be about. You can connect other APIs to it, and you can use those, or you can just top off your APIs here. I think you can buy them as much now. Being a builder of an app now, I know the cost. I know the cost. I now know if someone's getting over on me or if they're not getting over me or they're trying to make a profit, which I don't have a problem with either one. But it's just that this used to be a mystery to me. I'm like, why are they charging me so much? I actually know how much it costs per 1,000 tokens and all that because I've been building my own apps, so I understand it. So I don't have a problem with that. I don't have a problem with them finding a way to stay in business. So I digress. But again, I think this is I think they're behind maybe 6 months to a year of where they're going to be. But by that time, where will Poppy be? Poppy is so large right now. It's so big, but it's so expensive too. But what I will tell you is it's only expensive in the absence of value. That's where it comes into a problem. And I think they give value for what it is that they give you, right? It's expensive, but it's expensive for a reason. They're throwing in everything with that. Now, the APIs work. This is an API. The API only connects you to other LLMs that you can use instead of just using they give you 2,000 credits. Still to this day, I have no idea where my other credits went. I haven't even built out a map yet, and it's already taken up credits. I have no idea. So you're only going to get 2,000 credits here on Remalt. That's all they give you. All right. And you can buy more one-time credits, right? Which I think are expensive because, again, I know what it costs to do LLMs. And there's not a problem with that, but let the person make some money. I don't have any problems with that. But all you're going to get every month is 2,000 credits. Whereas you go with a Poppy, right? You're going to go with a Poppy. They're expensive. They make no mistake about it. But if you go with this, you're going to get 3,000 credits a month. You're going to get a bonus of 1,500 credits a month. And you get the APIs open up as well. You can bring your own key as well. So the other in Remalt, that's pretty much bring your own key. When I say open API, that's bring your own key. So you can connect the other ones. Now, what you really want in this tool, and I'm going to show you the reason why. What you really want in this tool, if nothing else, you really want the API access. So you get the 5,000 monthly credits, which is plenty for what you're trying to do. Because really, you really don't really need to be working on more than 1 or 2 projects a month. I think this is plenty to do that. But you're going to get the API access. Now, their API access is different because Remalt say, oh, yeah, we have API access. No, you don't. You have to bring your own key. They have bring your own key. Poppy has bring your own key, and they have API access, right? And so you can create both of them. You can create unlimited boards, but the templates and the training and the community is justifiable for the $2,000 because you're going to learn so much more. You're going to be able to pick other people's brains. You're going to be able to pick, they got some expert people on here that are doing some sick stuff in Poppy. I'm not telling you to go and buy Poppy. What I'm telling you is if what you're trying to accomplish, if your brain is razzled, you can start cranking stuff out with this and making money and no problems. And I only say that because I had no problems doing this and already making money. Right. So let me show you as we wrap up. Let me kind of show you what I built already. Right. So what I built, right. I haven't decided I was going to put this up and allow people to buy this from me on a monthly charge. I wasn't going to charge you that much, but I made my own dashboard to handle all of my projects. And I can only do that with Poppy right now because Poppy has an open API. And it allowed me to tap into that. So when I go here and look at my plugins, I put in all Gamma, Poppy, Plurity, Perplexity, Claude, ChatGPT. I put them all in one setup here. So now when I come in, I'm able to know which project I want to work on, know which one I want to load. Now, what it also does, it allows me to go to my memory here. Inside of my memory, I have an MCP server connected to the back, and it keeps track of all of my projects, right? So now I have the projects that come from here, they get dumped into an MCP, and now all of my LLMs get to share the same information, right? Now I can only do this with Poppy. I can't do this remote right now. I think they're on to that. They're like I said, they're probably about 6 months to a year behind, but I think they're catching up fast. I don't have a problem with it. I think if you can't make the investment for Poppy, I think going into that, you can probably make an investment in Remalt and just grow with them and build with them if that's your budget. I don't have a problem with that. So yeah, here I've built out my own stuff here. I don't need. Like I got my own workflows, everything, but I built this out. I didn't know if people would want, instead of building their own, I didn't know if they would want to possibly subscribe to the one that I built. It wouldn't be that much, but I have everything you need to run. And I'm approaching 60 revenue streams right now. I have a lot, but I need the way my brain works. I think Poppy right now works for me in the way my brain works because I have multiple projects, multiple things going on. Give me one window. This one window I connected via API to my backend here. So all of the other LLMs, I don't have to share the information, right? So when it comes in here, all of my other LLMs, my ChatGPT, my Claude, my Perplexity, they all see what I'm doing here in Poppy through my MCP server. And I use that through Plurity, right? I think Plurity was there. I don't know if I told you guys to get it, but I told you to get it. So everything works right here inside my MCP server, inside of my AI context flow. I'm telling you, this is so much better. I don't have to repeat. I don't have to copy and paste all of my LLMs. They all understand the language. They all understand the mission. They all understand what I'm actually trying to do. That for me, that's the reason why you want to do Poppy AI, but you really want to get the API access, right? And so there again, I do not think there's anything wrong. I do not think there's anything wrong with, I don't think there's anything wrong. What did I do with it? Where'd it go? So yeah, I don't think there's anything wrong with Remalt, right? I think it's very worthy in what they're doing. Their interface is clean. I will give them that. It's super clean. Hey, this has been Jenny Jones. You guys need to chime in. I got some serious stuff happening. And again, let me know what you guys think. Would you guys want me to help you build your own? That's going to cost you because that's time, right? If you build your own platform, I could help you, but that's a premium, right? Because I've spent a lot of time building it. I spent an entire weekend. I spent almost 6-7 hours building it, and I can show you. I can put a class together. You guys let me know in the comments what you would like to do, or you just say, hey, Jenny, you know what? If you're going to let me use your interface already, I just plug in my keys. I can do that as well. So you guys just let me know in the comments. All right, you guys have been great. Use my code. I just gave you guys some juice, right? Remalt's not bad, but they got a little ways to go, and I think they're on the right track. So I'm not gonna not give them their respect where respect is due. All right, you guys have been great. Take care. Goodbye for now.